checking him out and stuff. And I was like, don't even look at him because he was like looking around. He's still playing dead. And I was like, whatever.
Now you're videoing it?
Yeah.
He's looking at me.
He's like slowly letting his leg down. Like he didn't do it.
Webster. Come here, buddy. Oh, yes.
Okay, now.
Okay, go.
Webster. You go to bed? Come on, Webster.
Come on the ground.
You go to bed. You go to bed. Come on, let's go to bed.
He has to be like laying down on the ground.
Let's
He
go to
wasn't laying
bed.
down, he just does it himself.
Let's go to bed.
Bella, hush.
Webster, go to bed. Come on. Go to bed, Webster. Webster, go to bed. Oh. I'm going to go to bed. Let's go to bed. Come on. Let's go to bed. Go to bed. Go on. Go on.
Joey, get out of the shot. You're ruining it.
Webster, go to bed. Webster.
Pick him up. Can you pick him up without breaking his back? Be careful.
He'll just bend in half.
Go to bed. You go to bed.
Don't let Joey get his tail all over your face. He don't even care.
Come on, let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Webster, go to bed. Wrong way, buddy. Come on.
My mommy will protect me.
Go to bed. Go on. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. No, that's your food. Go to bed. Nelly. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go in there. Webster. Webster, come on.
He's like hunched over. He's so mad that he has to go to bed.
Go to bed. Get in there. Go on.
I wish you would
Go to
just
bed.
flop over and play dead right there.
Go to bed. Webster.
Webster. Webster.
Help me, mommy.
This is not a game.
Yes, it is.
Go to bed. Say good night. Go to bed. Go to bed.
Yay! Oh.
See you later, pup.
Does he even think he's in there or something? See it? No.